Before you place a single elevation marker, imagine if AutoCAD could automatically insert and update every elevation block for you, effortlessly. Well, now it can. Want to place automatic elevation blocks in AutoCAD? Here's the solution. In this drawing, we've designed a dynamic block that shows elevation in 4 different directions. And now, we're going to insert it wherever we need updated elevation values. Start by loading the insertelevation.fas program using the appload command. This program gives you 2 commands, PEL and UPE. PEL is your insert elevation command. First, insert the base block, because your base point may not match the global coordinates of the drawing. When prompted, indicate the base, place the block, and you're set. Now you can insert elevation blocks at any location where you want to display elevation. Run PEL again, choose the other option, and place your blocks. You'll notice each block comes in with its correct elevation automatically. You can insert blocks using the program, or simply copy the ones already placed. Now comes the magic. Run UPE. With a single command, UPE updates the elevation value of every block in the drawing. And since these are dynamic blocks, you can reposition the elevation indicator in 4 directions just by clicking the grip. If this tool can make your work easier, download it from the link in the description. And if you want custom AutoCAD solutions like this, write to cadsuperuser@gmail.com with your requirements. Thank you so much for watching.